If you use LibreOffice for documents, spreadsheets, or presentations, one of the smartest things you can do is turn on Autosave so you never lose your work. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable Autosave in LibreOffice in just a few clicks, and I'll also explain the best setting to use so your files are protected without interrupting your workflow. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, Start menu, or Applications folder, depending on your device. Once LibreOffice is open, look at the top menu bar. You'll want to click Tools. This is where LibreOffice keeps many of its main settings and preferences. After clicking Tools, choose Options from the menu. This opens the settings window where you can control how LibreOffice behaves. On the left side, you'll see a list of categories. Scroll through that list and click Load/Save. Then under that section, click General. Now you're in the area where LibreOffice handles saving and recovery settings. Look for the option that says Save AutoRecovery Information Every. This is the key setting that allows LibreOffice to automatically create recovery data at regular intervals. Go ahead and check that box to turn it on. Once it's enabled, you'll see a time interval option next to it. You can set this based on how often you want LibreOffice to save recovery information. A good starting point is 5 minutes. That means if the program closes unexpectedly, LibreOffice will have recent recovery data available, which can help you restore your work. If you work on longer documents or important files, a shorter interval can be useful. If you prefer fewer background saves, you can choose a slightly longer time. The important thing is to pick a setting that gives you peace of mind while still fitting your workflow. After you've selected your interval, click OK to apply the changes. That's it. LibreOffice will now automatically save recovery data in the background at the interval you chose. Just to be clear, this setting is designed to protect your work if the app crashes or your computer shuts down unexpectedly. It may not replace every kind of manual save, but it does give you a much better chance of recovering unsaved changes if something goes wrong. So if you've been wondering how to autosave in LibreOffice, now you know the exact steps. Open LibreOffice, go to Tools, click Options, open Load/Save. Then General, enable Save Auto Recovery Information Every, set your preferred time, and click OK. If you found this video useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.